Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a new video. So I was sitting down today and I'm super excited because I got a new bag, and whenever I add a new book bag to my collection that I am loving, I love to sit down and just share it with you. And I'm sure you can see from the title that it's the Pillow Tabby bag from Coach. I saw this on Melissa's wardrobe page and I absolutely fell in love with it because I don't own anything like this, and I thought, why not check it out? I went to the store, saw it, fell in love, and here we are. So this is the bag here, and I am just so obsessed with it. It's just like the cutest little purse ever, but there's nothing little about it. It's quite a big purse, but I just love it so much. I've been on the hunt for like a beige bag, but I obviously didn't want to spend like a lot of money on one, and Coach is definitely making a comeback, so I've definitely been eyeing a few of their pieces. They have some really nice structured bags that I really do like, but then I saw this one on Melissa's wardrobe page, as I said, and I was just like, ding ding ding. So this is what the bag looks like, and this is the Coach Pillow Tabby. I think that's the right name, but if not, I'll put it on the screen for you. It's like a very like squishy, soft bag, and it literally fits everything. It literally fits all of my essentials. Every single thing that I would like to carry in my purse, it fits. I definitely don't really like carrying the bag with the thicker strap. I just feel like it's way too thick. I would definitely get like a smaller version. I would have liked a smaller version of that strap. It's way too thick, but I don't really care too much because I love the bag as is with this shoulder strap alone. I don't own any bag that I can carry like this. I don't own one bag that I can carry like this at all. So I just love this bag for this reason too. It's just such a unique purse, and I just really wanted a bag, like an evening bag, but I wanted it to be beige. I do worry though that I might not get, you know, it's definitely going to show wear as time goes by because it is so light and just so delicate, but I did pick up a cleaner for it just in case. I got a shampoo and a moisturizer that she said that she recommended that I pick up to basically clean her with, just in case I got any stains on it or anything. And the cleaner can supposedly take out pen ink, so I was just like, okay, let me just see what this is about. But this is the bag. So again, I saw this bag on Melissa's wardrobe page and I saw it and I was like, and I didn't really hesitate because the bags at Coach are very inexpensive. They are a more affordable price range. They're not like an arm and a leg. So I definitely didn't hesitate. I called the store. I asked her to put one on hold for me. I went there, I tried it on, and I just had to leave with it because it's so cute. So the Pillow name really comes from the fact that this bag is super squishy. It is such a squishy bag. It is absolutely adorable. Like, it's very squishy, and they had this bag in a variety of shades. I'm gonna put them on the screen here. They have like a green, the black. I really was gonna get the black, but I decided not to because I really wanted a beige bag. I've wanted a beige bag for a long time, and I also wanted a bag that could possibly be worn as like a shoulder bag because I don't own any bags that I could wear like as a shoulder bag like this. I only have like crossbodies and stuff, so I really wanted a shoulder bag, and I thought this was just so cute. And it's also spring, you know. I really wanted a bag that was just gonna be a great addition to like spring fashion or my spring wardrobe. So yeah, this is what the bag looks like, and it did come with a longer strap, but I'm not gonna lie, I'm not a big fan of how this looks. But of course, in the model shot, I'll show you guys what the larger strap looks like on. It's just super thick, and it's just not really my thing, but you know, I love that it came with a strap nonetheless, because I can just switch it up and, you know, do my own thing. And also from Coach, I got a leather cleaner as well as a moisturizer, because I'm not gonna lie, I was very concerned with how light this bag was. I'm very concerned on like how the wear and tear is gonna be after just using this bag for a few. So I definitely wanted to get a cleaner because I'm very worried. It's like a very light color and it's like a very soft and delicate leather. So as you guys saw, the bag comes with a short shoulder strap, which is also removable, so you could even just carry this as like a clutch if you wanted to, even though it's gonna be hard because it's such a thick bag. It might be hard to grasp it as a clutch unless you basically just wear it under your arm. It does have this little tag here at the side that hangs off. The past 2 times I've worn this, I've taken this thing off. I want it to be plain, so I've only worn it like this, just plain like that, which is pretty much how I prefer to wear it. I only put this on for the video. And it has the leather around the C. Typically with Coach bags, the C is usually in the metal, which I do not like. I don't like that look. So I'm very happy that they decided to put the leather over the C this time. So it just gives the bag like a beige on beige look. And also the hardware is not like a flashy gold. It's a very like subtle gold. So I really do like that. So the C is here with the leather, a little bit of metal around the C there. And then basically we have a flap. So once you open the bag, this is basically what you are greeted with. So in the middle section here, I just still have the stuff that comes in, you know, in every purses. And this bag literally fits everything that I would need to carry with me on a day-to-day. It fits my phone, it fits my camera, I'm able to bring hand cream, I'm able to bring all of like my little necessities. I'm currently using my camera right now to film, but I will show you guys my phone for example. And everything fits in here. There's so much stuff packed into here and more can fit, and you won't even tell that it's bulgy because this is a pillow bag, so it doesn't even show any sort of like bulge, and it's very comfortable to wear under the arm. So I'm gonna show you guys really quickly what I have in here. So again, my phone fits in here perfectly. I have my key clay wallet, which is very thin and it has the keys here, so it can be a little bit bulky, but that fits perfectly. I have just a chapstick right now, and I have my big behind Victorine wallet, so you know it fits this with no issues. I have this in here. I also have my hand cream, which is not a small little baby hand cream, it's literally a big Eucerin. That's pretty much all I had in here for right now, but again, as I said, my camera could easily fit in here. And then right now in the zipper portion, I don't really have anything in here, but I plan to just use that portion for like anything important. Let's say I don't feel like going to my wallet to put my cards back in, I'll just drop it in that slot. Anything that's, you know, pretty much like important. And it closes pretty easily. So I'm gonna stand up so you guys can see how this looks like on my body, but so far so good. So that's pretty much it for today's video. Like so far in this moment, I definitely do love this bag. I wore it twice so far, once in like the daytime and once at like nighttime. Both with like very casual looks. I've never like dressed it up, but I really don't see that being a problem. But so far I do love it. I'm just watching to see how the wear and tear is, because obviously if it's just gonna go crazy in a matter of a week or so, then I definitely wouldn't even like bother. But yeah, so far so good. I really do like it. But yeah, such a pretty bag and just super girly and just I love that it's fluffy as well. So that's pretty much it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Links to the bag will be in my description box below in case you wanted to go and check it out. They also have different colors that I feel like would do a lot better in terms of like wear than this one, but yeah, we will see. But see you guys in my next video. Have a great one, and I'll see you soon. Bye.